Okay, so this will all be in English. Sorry for those listening in Tagalog, Filipino, okay? So, probably for the longest time, since probably around the year 2000, Philippine setting, okay, my medical experience, Philippine setting, since around the year 2000, and I was told by probably a pediatrician, if not from a medical pediatrics conference, okay? So what was told there was that don't prescribe, as a doctor, don't prescribe cough and cold medicines, don't prescribe cough and cold medicines for for pediatric age, okay? So specifics, this video tells of 0 to 6 years old and below, no, absolute no cough and cold medicines, okay? They're not effective and might cause some harm altogether, okay? So what I extend that to 9 years old. I don't give, okay? 9 years old, and I don't give below 16 years old, okay? Below 16 years old, I don't give cough and cold medicines, okay? I don't prescribe, okay? So everybody around me, all doctors, all physicians around me, were prescribing left and right for cough and cold medicines for pediatric age. Okay? Even the parents were looking at me as if, in Tagalog we call that, tanga yata itong doktor, bobo. No? Tanga yata yung doktor, bobo. Bakit hindi siya nagre-reseta ng ano, no? Hindi siya nagre-reseta para sa ubo sipon, sipon ubo. No? Bobo yata to, tanga. Baka hindi to doktor. Fake na doktor. Hindi siya nagre-reseta ng ano, gamot sa ubo sipon, sipon ubo, no? Okay, so I felt at that time, are more or less around the year 2000, up to now, okay, up to the present, that I was probably the only one not prescribing cough and cold medicines. And here is one proof from America, and backing up what I've learned since all those years, okay? Subscribe and follow and subscribe.